All right, next trick we're going to look at is called stop and pops. And so on, right? It's a repeater. But the basic idea is to throw trapeze, do a stop and go, pull up into an Eli hop, but instead of doing a full Eli hop, you're just going to pop it up right in this area in front of you, and you're going to try to recapture it in a man and his brother mount. So right here, I'm going to pull my arms apart, but instead of pulling them out really hard so I can kind of do a full Eli hop kind of thing, I'm going to pop it straight up in front of me and hopefully let it just kind of sit here in the air for a second. As it does that, I'm going to try to intercept the string with my throw hand finger and be very delicate about it so that I can kind of catch it in that man and his brother mount right there, right? And then now at this point I have to regenerate it on the right hand side of my body back into trapeze, and I have to do it kind of strong so that I have enough juice to get it back into a stop and go, right? So I've got to throw it, pull it back up, pop it up again, and try to catch it, right? It's really hard. If you can get 3 in a row, that's really difficult. 1, 2, 3. All right, so stop and pops. If you don't already know your Eli hop from stop and go, you want to learn that first. But this is a fun one to work on. It's a really challenging trick, and it's a great repeater.